Are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? TikTok's Creator Program offers a unique opportunity for content creators to monetize their talent and reach a global audience. In this guide, we'll explore how you can leverage the platform's features and resources to earn money while doing what you love. From sponsored content to virtual gifts, there are various ways to monetize your TikTok presence and build a successful career as a content creator. So let's dive in and discover how you can start earning money with TikTok's Creator Program today. Number 1. Understanding the TikTok Creator Program. The TikTok Creator Program serves as a bridge between talented content creators and potential monetization opportunities on the platform. It's essentially TikTok's way of recognizing and rewarding creators who consistently produce engaging and original content. To qualify for the program, creators typically need to meet specific criteria set by TikTok, such as having a certain number of followers and consistently posting high-quality content. Once accepted into the program, creators gain access to a range of exclusive features and resources designed to help them further develop their content and grow their audience. These features may include analytics tools, promotional support, and opportunities to collaborate with other creators or brands. Overall, the TikTok Creator Program provides creators with the necessary support and infrastructure to monetize their creativity effectively. Number 2. Monetizing your content. Monetizing content on TikTok can take various forms, but one of the most common methods is through in-stream ads. These are short video advertisements that play either before or during a creator's content and generate revenue based on factors like views and engagement. Creators earn a share of the ad revenue generated by these ads, making it a straightforward way to start earning money on the platform. Additionally, creators can explore opportunities for brand partnerships and sponsored content. Brand partnerships involve collaborating with companies or brands to promote their products or services in your videos, while sponsored content entails creating content specifically tailored to a brand's marketing objectives in exchange for compensation. These partnerships not only provide creators with additional sources of income, but also offer opportunities to diversify their content and reach new audiences. Number 3. Leveraging virtual gifts. Virtual gifts are another popular way for creators to monetize their content on TikTok. These are digital items that viewers can purchase and send to creators during live streams or as a form of appreciation for their content. Virtual gifts can range from simple emojis and stickers to more elaborate digital effects or animations, each with its own monetary value. Creators receive a portion of the revenue generated from these virtual gifts, providing them with an additional source of income while also fostering a sense of community and engagement among their audience. By leveraging virtual gifts, creators can not only monetize their fan base but also cultivate stronger relationships with their audience members, leading to increased loyalty and support. Number 4. Building your brand. Beyond earning money, the TikTok Creator Program offers creators an opportunity to build their personal brand and establish themselves as influencers in their respective niches. Consistently producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience is key to building a strong brand presence on TikTok. By creating content that showcases your unique personality, interests, and expertise, you can attract a dedicated following of fans who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. As your audience grows, you'll have the opportunity to further solidify your brand identity through collaborations with other creators or brands, participating in trending challenges or hashtags, and engaging with your audience through comments, likes, and shares. Building a strong brand presence not only increases your credibility and influence as a creator, but also opens up new opportunities for monetization and growth on the platform. Number 5. Engaging with your audience. Engagement is the lifeblood of any successful creator on TikTok. Building and nurturing relationships with your audience is essential for retaining followers, increasing engagement, and ultimately, monetizing your content effectively. Responding to comments, hosting live streams, and participating in trending challenges or hashtags are all excellent ways to engage with your audience and show them that you value their support and feedback. Additionally, incorporating interactive elements into your content, such as polls, Q&A sessions, or interactive challenges, can further deepen the connection between you and your audience members. By fostering a sense of community and interaction, you'll not only strengthen your relationship with your audience, but also increase their loyalty and support, ultimately leading to greater success as a TikTok creator. Number 6. Creating compelling content. Creating content that captivates your audience is essential for success on TikTok. Experiment with different formats, such as short sketches, challenges, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes glimpses, to keep your content fresh and engaging. Use trending sounds, effects, and hashtags strategically to increase the discoverability of your videos. Moreover, prioritize authenticity and share relatable stories or experiences that resonate with your viewers on a personal level. By consistently delivering valuable and entertaining content, you'll attract more followers and increase your earning potential as a TikTok creator. Number 7. Collaborating with other creators. Collaboration offers a fantastic opportunity to broaden your reach and engage with new audiences. Seek out creators whose content aligns with yours and explore collaborative opportunities that benefit both parties. Whether it's participating in duets, joining forces for challenges, or hosting joint live streams, collaborating allows you to leverage each other's strengths and attract a wider audience. Additionally, cross-promoting each other's content can foster a sense of community and mutual support within the TikTok community, ultimately leading to increased visibility and potential earnings for all involved. Number 8. Diversifying your revenue streams. While the TikTok Creator Program provides avenues for monetization, it's wise to diversify your income streams to safeguard against fluctuations in platform policies or algorithm changes. Consider exploring alternative revenue streams, such as selling merchandise, offering exclusive content through a subscription model, or monetizing your expertise through online courses or consulting services. Additionally, affiliate marketing partnerships can be a lucrative way to earn commissions by promoting products or services relevant to your audience. By diversifying your income sources, you can create a more stable and sustainable revenue stream as a TikTok creator. Number 9. Staying informed and adapting to changes. In the rapidly evolving landscape of social media, staying informed about TikTok's updates, algorithm changes, and emerging trends is paramount. Regularly check TikTok's official communications, blogs, and community forums for announcements on new features, guidelines, or algorithm tweaks. Being aware of these changes allows you to adapt your content strategy proactively. Engage with the TikTok community by participating in discussions, forums, and collaborative initiatives. This not only keeps you in the loop, but also fosters a sense of camaraderie with fellow creators. By staying informed and adapting swiftly, you can navigate changes effectively and maintain a strong and compliant presence on the platform. Number 10. Investing in yourself. Investing in your growth as a TikTok creator involves a multifaceted approach. Continuously refine your content creation skills by exploring new video formats, editing techniques, and storytelling methods. Attend workshops, webinars, or online courses to stay abreast of industry trends and gain insights from experienced professionals. When it comes to equipment, consider upgrading based on your content needs. High-quality cameras, lighting setups, and editing software can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Don't underestimate the importance of self-care. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance and mental well-being ensures sustained creativity. Allocate time for relaxation, idea generation, and rejuvenation. Remember, your investment in personal and professional growth not only benefits your content, but also positions you for long-term success on TikTok. The TikTok Creator Program offers an exciting opportunity for content creators to monetize their talent and creativity, while building a loyal fan base and establishing their personal brand. By understanding the various monetization options available, engaging with your audience, creating compelling content, and diversifying your revenue streams, you can unlock your full potential as a TikTok creator and turn your passion into profit. So what are you waiting for? Start creating, start earning, and start building your dream career as a TikTok creator today. Thank you for tuning into this guide on earning money with the TikTok Creator Program. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tips and tricks on maximizing your potential as a content creator. Happy TikToking!